Have you ever been wondering why your period seems to skip, be shorter, longer, or even miss sometimes in the month? Well, in this video, we will be able to know if you are the cause of some medical issues. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a return subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. What is irregular periods? A normal menstrual cycle lasts for about 21 to 35 days. Now, if yours is longer, shorter, missed, or even unpredictable, you might be having irregular periods. We have three types of irregular periods. The first one is oligomenorrhea, that is when you see your period 6 to 8 times in a year. The second one is menorrhagia, and this is when you have heavy or prolonged bleeding. The next one is amenorrhea, and this is when your period stops for like 3 months, that is 90 days, without being pregnant. Then the last one is dysmenorrhea, which is a condition where you experience pain and discomfort during or before your periods. Causes of irregular periods. Some causes are temporary and can be as a result of some of your practice, and some can be as a result of medical issues. The first cause is endometriosis. Now, endometriosis is a condition whereby the endometrial tissue grows outside your uterus and it now tends to attach to your fallopian tube and also ovaries. This can cause pain during or before your periods. The second one is pelvic inflammatory disease, and this condition is commonly caused by bacterial infection. When the bacteria travels from your vagina to the upper genital tract, it can cause irregular periods, and sometimes this is even caused as a result of untreated sexually transmitted infection. This can be accompanied by pelvic pain during or before your period. Next one is polycystic ovarian syndrome, which is also called PCOS. Our body produces a hormone called androgen. Androgen is typically for the male gender, but we also have little quantity in it us. When the body tends to produce this in higher quantity, it can delay ovulation and also mess with your regular flow. Ovarian cancer. Tumor growth can disrupt hormone production, and this is because your ovary play a vital role in hormonal balance. When your ovaries is not doing the work, it can affect your menstrual flow. The last one is birth control pills. Most of these birth control pills are combination of hormones, and this helps to prevent pregnancy by keeping your ovaries from releasing eggs. Going on and off on birth control pills can cause irregular periods. Other causes include stress, gaining a significant amount of weight, medication, surgery, and also miscarriage. What are the symptoms you are going to notice when you're about to start having irregular period or when you have irregular period? The first one is nausea and vomiting, extremely heavy bleeding, and another one is periods that suddenly stops for months without being pregnant, fatigue that seems abnormal, and unusual foul smell from your periods. How can this be treated? The most common ways how this can be treated is medication, and medication in cases of heavy bleeding, medications to reduce pain, and also hormone therapy. Now, if all these are not working and you've changed your lifestyle, they'll have to opt for surgery. It can be a case of ovarian cancer. Prevention. Use birth control pills as prescribed. If you do not know how to use it, then ask your doctor. Don't just use it because your friend said this was how she used her own. The second thing is change tampons or pad every 4 to 6 hours to prevent infection from getting into the body. Cut down on extreme, long, or intense exercise. Eat hormonal balanced foods. Maintain healthy weight. Stay hydrated and also track your cycle. You can use apps like Flow, Clue, and also Meet You to track your cycle. After doing all the ones you can do and you still notice your periods are irregular, then it is time to see your doctor. Irregular periods can be frustrating. Imagine your period has not been coming for the past 1 or 2 months, and all of a sudden you are in a gathering and you get called that your clothes are stained at the back. How are you going to feel? That's not the real deal. The real deal is for you to take measures and steps today. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Share this video to every woman in your life, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Get in touch with all my previous videos. You are going to love them. See you in my next one. Bye.